how sexual exploitation affects northern Uganda music industry. Rata in Mereni.
Ruare ken la choge dago.
Ayo. Tika increasing the wo kidi cheng. Tika metema dana mer dong tika terme chalo is a breakfast lunch shapa. Kichamu diku di cheng utienu. Diku di cheng utienu. One po de wani vururai. Pangi yuka joni eno ni no gwakar kene kingi.
Ako benongo bale mo kay nongo bale.
Pangi kargi yam chon joma wa kwano nyingi ni. The legends ma wa kwano nyingi. Pangi kargi ne ko no gengi timo lok man be breakfast supper lunch ginganga.
Kingi kuno. No genaka ye.
Ginaka ye.
Kidono yam pa mo petek. Pene kardan ma ko chel gi bayo ko kitimo gi bayo ko kitimo gi bayo.
Ikini ni loka breakfast lunch supper dinner of sex.
So,
not one. We're not talking about one. It's too much. Tia we go lutia ma pool kongi tika doko peke. Lutia ma pool ko beri peke ngongo miriki team. But I don't know if people could be able to understand. Sex is not a physical thing. Sex is a spiritual thing. Ma dealing kigena kit enonit kape ngeu tek full. And joma pool guru nyingi ini work kivur kakan begin apart. They are very wise. Gitu you be matek. They have money. Then they help people. Gikwanya bedano guchulu mukatima guchulu tinga ma pool kin ping. And to one angle of sex would draw ping from zero. Why? With that Bible, when we should have the discerning eyes and then discerning ears. Whatever ke wang money mengi gina dwako dano ping, then we tackle the issues until para. Wa ile mal. Pian bela gina geo kumarame Uganda down in any angle in life pere. Endo gina wero one pe waramo down I angle mo ken kumarame Uganda. Pian pe wangeyu gina watiti mone. Gina dwako wa ping. Like for example, kubejana bela in I just want to say in it. You're in the music industry. And pengi Jimmy Mugo maramo duoke ping. Bene peramo ter kare. But with the grace of God, we are trying to address some of the key things maduago down ping. And I believe ni kardingo, you be a kind of artist in northern Uganda, mono do kiripat mada. Papa wajini Jim and piggy pete. Of course piggy tego. Jim chalo breakfast ingana pete. But bit him ka ye. Like for example, you have your man. You're only one man and I have my only one wife. Of course I can have a breakfast, lunch and supper gini. End of beruka long breakfast, supper lunch gini. Keep dharma pat. Anything kill wa pera matin nani. Kama ket niko beri chawa ni. No thing and what any magiti music industry. When uno get faithful enough. They are patient. Giti magitiga guake and gitio kid dare art maker on it rip chielekan. Mengin anka cherry show a dog gang. Come here cham a duga. Come here cham a duga. Itamni ma chiel. No chianity guaneko. Piane. Ka ini cherry show tin amulata. Merne cherry cham breakfast bagi kuno. Ner eoni yinu mire wek gino moy bi mecha kuno. Manyete dong itigi poka pa jemareo chene udong kuno, kumi udong kuno, your spirit udong kuno kije mukene. Eno ngo agya wek in peram daping. Demand do chako bola demand mati physical then demand mati in spirit. Idu kaino de banga bagi let yiru down put a purely wet. Have you ever come across Bella? Pange ginigati me common. But I want to tell you one thing. Bergile Rama. Rama ni nyiri lemon mi wewe. Lemon kabisa. Mon marucho kabisa. Mawanda chamu kana nyiri by then na football ngayo. Nyiri eni kome gumba nye lo ba marful. You get that point nike wani lo ba mar ngaro mani piani duongi mon. wan wa no luti anyer pe mer wa cha ko chwa ingari ka chono nya tie mu duerio no be pia be di ba eto enwe en ma idi chone en no do bilo inak mu di le ngege te madata. Now this is a point ma cha na no ni eni kar pe ko o ikar mo madong. There's a collection of the spirit from a different women's. Ma tare kum nyiri ka furu woni chogi nyiri lego leg ma pat ma reju ma down ma lit ma fute awa malo mugu tingini wiu kika furu. You get that point? Chi wacha onyang ni this is spirit nyiri gar nyiri petino nyiri dong timarai. Wanda wa kama wacha ko foilo bane kara wanda we are blessed. Ni kano pe mon marwa ni maybe gwak no be ta gwak wan wa liga ye nga ni. We realize the one car pe wa lig, but there was a spirit going to take a driving one. This is not your way. This is not your way. You need to walk this way. Until pa ku berchan, we can still survive within this industry of entertainment and being celeb nga gini. Narwa.
Amira adara la chel. May wajani ka dara chel, ke no dara chel, ke arnyo la choa chel. Ask yourself, you can the women men no than any. Adi magiti seto. 100%, 20% again. Louis magiti cho magiti mon art ki mon magiti cho art. Magil away, let's say 20%. I swear.
There is a difference being settled and having one wife. Because you can be settled with one wife. And futi chamwa.
No, let's unfortunately happen you look at settling or pian petit la cho mama pe kwalo dago. Wara. Not only the way. Pede la cho mama pe kwalo dago wara. Pian mon be dum wara. E ben check what you
No. Like
you can never lie to me. Pian foot pe no.
Foot pa no ngar me na kwale.
Yes.
Bele.
Listen. I
am
a woman, I know what I'm saying.
You get?
Cho weng, cho makwalo mon wako
Weng ko ba mama.
So, when we luwe adi, magari seto, madda married.
Namba ginak food ba?
Nama ginak. Inano hai.
Magunyomo. Kami na wakwan nyingi be wakwano, but ginak.
I don't want to mention anyone's name because muno nyoma yana be pegi yom yori. Eh? But at least no wangeni unyome. MCs adi magunyome. DJs adi magunyome. Ti art the king, ti agwalo tiene ke dagone magbero ni rip.
Mater ge teacher MCs no DJs channel is a professional work.
Yes,
family ne.
Bloggers adi.
D. Magunyoma dong. Magiti set or art ki dago
few.
In fact, bloggers they don't nan chalo promoters they don't nan chalo
radio presenters adi.
Magiti set or art. Machalo la choge dago di rip.
You get? Ma amba ti kem jo ti wagoni. Hey.
Abele piring e show. Mana pio tum do ba ti tang.
Ape fot pa me ro le apela cho ma kana kona. Amba chamen ma wagoni. So I want to say ne. Ka dugu ilok me for in the industry. Manipulation tie. Okay? And taking advantages tie. Pole chake gi advantage leba churene ko ni ngoya kay jalo ko mi gi tingo nyo kay nyuru
chake gi jalo ko
manno yen ipegi principal ko ni
jalo ko manutu ye kuya ping
yes kidong yo ye be chaka nyuru ni wara mi ka weki konya onyo wara fo ngade ke gen eni ko manno ngo mu pegi penyo ti dan mo ke ma pol ma ki konyo gi ti mere fo yen ki vor pian geno mono pe ma mer maramo mi ne
nantel no wanya fo e ki doki do perama
fo e ki doki is very big
no bela
community offer listen what ya man be twal wi kama boko ana agi ganga bino awa gi producer what amba I want to sing Para pegi channel. Children producer, it's okay. I can give you an offer. You promote the song.
Yes.
One on where you can wait tomorrow. Chaka don we ra studio. Inge lo we gi team gi. Ki ga ka studio dong ba. Para we gi char mo dong lielo gi kenyo. Down on ne mer ngo. E duak fo. Duak fo de duak ngo.
Bien de no ni gimorong.
Donc pe. Donc chaka nyoro kira la kira mani bana ngoro elo dugo kan ga manyako ne. Kachalo ma wubine merde bedo chokiri yue yene luak in le.
Chako nyoro iri be kir ne ne. Pok gini mur. Gena mara gini bedo ki transport money kimini kacha mati late gena teo wa gamba.
And you know ga pay voto because it's late why studio.
Kinga gini.
You get.
So for the like first 2-3 days money can you go get mini war money not to touch you. Ingene na de ga ngwan nong chero geda nyim.
Eno ni mano in illego no ina ye nyoro ni mero. Ina ye duwa ma telefo. An money ti magi penya ka penya. Wa winye.
Deal.
Me ya wa mi.
Chela a chili. Kape chela.
Ya wa do du wa ko nying man no bione ko pro ngata. You get started coming in.
Let bugo madon ki ti.
Ya no promoter wa ni wa ka promoting we ni o merngo.
Kong ana chili yo.
Ko anyam yo rap. Ka wa nga chak char we ni. You don't bene, will chatter, you just do it.
I think
and I want to say in those days, but I'm not yet talking for now. Any car chani. Manu bene wa studio no kaburti ye. Tin yang producer no kero kaburo benti studio Kenyo giano beru merke studio. Cha weng burbe studio. E chair radio kuman wa radio presenter go weni. Mero kay mine ki mo kada pegi chana ene
una mer penye le penye eni bela a nana ma pol mutime beru ki seleb nader met ma pegude
wa okay we ki kere yo uni ben organizers lega jalwa pet kere ka ten raise I can konya wa be kere ka ten raise I can ene
na mer kelo angolene
chi e we ti pa wa ki boyi mo konto
na mer kelo angolene bela we have other people mage wajini and amero chunkeri music ini rap music udong ma we call them sugar mommy sugar daddies they're all over the world mukane no gidi waka abiru kila remo ma ungole kom sugar mommy ma cho le fu no cho tikile reme malawe la furi kirebe logo da la we ni new lifestyle pa we logo da pe ti jenye ki ngagi ni arangi ping mada la sugar mommy ni unoni she cannot continue with la furi pian penguni what is coming out of la furi that is the truth, that is real life. Mono he can support that man kauno she really need to help